So, should you buy a new accordion or go with a used accordion? This is a question I get asked a lot, and in today's episode, we're going to discuss new versus used accordion. So, I bought a new Weltmeister for over $1,000. I traded in one of my accordions and bought this one. I needed a new accordion. I needed an accordion that would work because I was playing a stage show. And it sounded great and it's beautiful, but after about 7 years of playing this accordion, it opens. The bellows aren't so tight. I've dropped it a few times. I think all the voices work, but it's time that it needs a cleaning. So what I did was I went to a garage sale and I bought a used accordion for $20. Here it is. It's a Camillo. The bellows are super tight. The right hand worked, but the left hand, it was really sticky. I played the buttons and they would stick. Now, I've unstuck some stuck accordion buttons before, but for the life of me, I couldn't get the left hand unstuck. So I sent the accordion in, I drove the accordion into a local repair shop called Tempo Trend Music here in Victoria, BC. And for $300, the person, Martin, at this accordion shop, repaired the left hand of the accordion. He had to remove everything, clean it, realign it, and put it back together. Now, this accordion, after $300 of service, plus the initial $20, sounds brand new. I would play this accordion over my new Weltmeister any day. That's a big statement. The 120 bass buttons, I like more than the 72 bass buttons. I really like having a full-size keyboard. I've been playing a 72 bass, a shorter keyboard for a long time, and that extra space is really, really nice. The one thing that I don't like about this accordion is that the key width is a little bit shorter, so I find that my fingers are getting a bit jumbled. This is my G minor, but my fingers still need some adjustment. It might be a lady's accordion, and the keys width might be a bit smaller. The nice thing is that I can stretch my hand out from, a C to a G. I don't know when I would need to do that, but it sure is nice to be able to do that. And I find that I'm playing songs that I used to play on the Weltmeister, but a new accordion has lots of music in it that needs to be played and sung. So I find that really, really nice. So again, new versus used. If you can afford new, go with it, right? It's going to be your accordion. No one's ever played it before. If you're going to buy used, look at my how to choose a used accordion video. And even if the keys are stuck, as long as not too many of them are stuck, as long as there's no mold, as long as the bellows are fairly tight and the accordion looks pretty good, I would say buy it. Let's say about $100 or less, $200 or less. And if you can afford to pay that lubrication and cleaning and servicing, which for my stuck accordion cost $300 and it was in pretty bad shape inside, you'll have a brand new accordion, brand new to you accordion for about, for that price of repair. So look for a local repair shop that's close to you, and if not, look for an accordion repair shop where you could ship the accordion in a safe way. I know that Tempo Trend Music in Victoria does sell accordions internationally. They've had success with that. And yeah, it's not so bad to buy used accordion. I am in love with my new accordion. All the sounds work, the musette works beautifully. And I couldn't be happier for 320 Canadian dollars. One thing I will say, these straps are old and thin. Something that makes a big difference, and I'll probably take these straps, are nice thick straps. I tend to buy the thickest, most padded straps that I could find, just because the accordion sits on your shoulders. You want to distribute that weight. Plus a nice, I don't know what this is called, a back pad. This really helps your clothes from getting wrinkled and your skin from getting pinched in the bellows. So this accordion, my new one, has a back pad, but I'm probably going to take these straps and put them on my new accordion. Thank you.